trip. This life is a combination of destination and all that's in between. So let's drive and see what we see. Take a step up and look back at the view, all the way from the cactus to canoe. We're holding on to every ounce of sunlight that we can, of the days that we never want to end. This is the summer of memories. We won't forget these nights, jumping in the water, sitting round the fire, singing songs like howling wolves in the night. This is the summer of memories. We won't forget these. Yeah, I've lost count all the detours that we take, 'cause there's more to see than following the maps on interstates. So I roll the window down and let the air pass through my hand. These are the days that I never want to end. This is the summer of memories. We won't forget these nights, raindrops on our faces, late night stargazes, and questioning the meaning of this life. This is the summer of